Looking for the best mandolin slicer for safety that every home chef needs? You're in the right place. I've researched and tested the best mandolin slicer for safety to help you cook smarter, faster, and easier. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Gadget Nest for more smart kitchen finds and honest reviews. And don't forget to check the description below for updated prices and exclusive deals. Let's get started. Number 1. OXO Steel Chef's Mandolin Slicer 2.0. Slice like a pro with the OXO Steel Chef's Mandolin Slicer 2.0. Its stainless steel body ensures lasting durability and easy cleaning, while the ultra-sharp blade delivers consistent, precise cuts every time. Whether you're prepping thin cucumber slices or thick-cut potatoes, this slicer adjusts to your needs with multiple thickness settings. Safety is prioritized with a non-slip base and food holder, keeping your hands safely away from the blade. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts and easy disassembly. It's compact enough to store in any kitchen, yet powerful enough to become your go-to prep tool. From garnishing salads to slicing veggies for a stir-fry, this mandolin brings both convenience and performance, ideal for home chefs seeking precision and ease. Number 2. Brun Professional Mandolin. Bring professional slicing to your kitchen with the Brun Professional Mandolin. This sturdy stainless steel slicer features both straight and waffle blades for unmatched versatility. Whether you're prepping veggies for a stir-fry or slicing potatoes for crispy fries, this tool handles it all. Adjustable thickness settings allow you to control every cut with precision. Built with durability in mind, its sharp blades and solid frame ensure long-term use. The included safety carriage protects your hands, making it safe even for fast-paced cooking. Cleanup is simple, and its slim design makes storage easy. Whether you're a chef or home cook, this mandolin will elevate your prep game. Perfect for making julienne, chips, or salads in seconds. Dependable, sleek, and incredibly efficient. A must-have in every serious kitchen. Number 3. OSTBA Electric Food Slicer. Take the hassle out of slicing with the OSTBA Electric Food Slicer. Designed for everyday use, it features a powerful 150-watt motor that effortlessly cuts through meats, cheeses, and breads. Its 7.5-inch stainless steel blade offers sharp, even slices every time. You can easily adjust the thickness for everything from deli-thin cold cuts to thick bread slices. Safety is a top priority with its built-in child lock protection, keeping your family secure. The removable blade and sliding food carriage make cleaning a breeze. Compact and modern, it fits perfectly on most countertops and stores away neatly. Whether you're prepping for sandwiches, charcuterie boards, or quick breakfasts, this slicer saves you time and effort. Quiet, efficient, and beginner-friendly. It's a smart investment for any home kitchen. Number 4. OXO Good Grips. Chef's Mandolin Slicer 2.0 Black and Steel. Simplicity meets precision with the OXO. Good Grips Chef's Mandolin Slicer 2.0. Designed with comfort and control in mind, this tool features a non-slip handle and adjustable blade for effortless slicing. The sleek black and steel finish adds modern flair to your kitchen setup. Create uniform slices of fruits and vegetables quickly thanks to its sharp, reliable blade. Whether you're preparing a quick salad or garnishing a gourmet dish, this mandolin offers consistent results every time. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe parts, and its compact build means easy storage. Built to last and intuitive to use, it's ideal for both beginner cooks and seasoned pros. Enjoy safe, easy slicing with a tool that's as stylish as it is functional. Number 5. All-in-One Vegetable Chopper. Streamline your meal prep with the All-in-One Vegetable Chopper. Featuring 8 interchangeable blades, this tool slices, dices, grates, and chops vegetables with ease. Whether you're making a salad, prepping stir-fry veggies, or cutting fries, it's got you covered. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the blades stay sharp and efficient through heavy use. The included container keeps your countertop clean while saving prep time. It's perfect for onions, carrots, potatoes, cheese, and more. Compact and easy to store, this chopper suits both large and small kitchens. Cleaning is simple, and all components are dishwasher safe. The design also emphasizes safety, helping to prevent slips or cuts while chopping. Ideal for busy cooks and health-conscious eaters, it brings speed and convenience to everyday cooking. Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Nest. If you enjoy discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. All product links and latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss them. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.